Munini wa RAIS Rigathi Gachagua augite umundi AKENYA NITEETE NKURUKI ya shilingi bilioni 2 kumani na maandamano maria maruthite mucii wa Nairobi. Gachagua ariuga ati AKENYA engi maria methagirwa na biacara ciao mucii wa Nairobi matirugurire nontu wa maandamano mama ontu uria omatigite na sara inene. Kagitani okau nawe mutongoria wa nthi ino tawe William RUTO augite ati nthi ino ikathi na mbere gutongorwa gikatiba na guti ontu ukaruthwa giutate na katiba mairi mama maritekerecia thomwanya RAIS akiaria ari garoni yawe Nairobi india kunyithwa mumako wa Solicitor General umweru na we munini wawe ari Mombasa akigwata utethio wa irio.
They cannot ask the children of poor people to get involved in violence when their own children are in safety in the East African Legislative Assembly in Arusha. It is not fair, it is not right.
Munini wa RAIS Rigathi Gachagua akiaria ari kaunti ya Mombasa rekugwataga irio cia utethio na ugete nthi ya Kenya umundi NITEETE NKURUKI ya bilioni 2 kumani na maandamano ma Azimio mbia iria KUUGA ibatire kwithirwa igitethia gucokaniria uchumi wa nthi ino.
As a result, this morning, because of lack of business in the CBD, the country has lost almost 2 billion shillings in terms of business. And this is money that should have been circulating in the economy.
Maandamano maria mabangirwo kumatene ni mutongoria wa kiama giki Raila Odinga na uria ugite makarutha gwa ntuku cia muramuko o kiumia.
The economy had begun showing signs of recovery, and we were getting a lot of affirmation from international financial players and no other partners. But the events that are being organized by the opposition is not good for business, it's not good for the economy. If they are so persuaded that people need to go to the streets and cause chaos and mayhem, they should ask their children to be in the forefront so that if there are issues, their children can bear the consequences.
Ino nayo yatinda iri ndingo inene kiria biashara mucii wa Nairobi nontu matirugurire magikira ontu uyu umatigitwe magitaraga ngarama inene. Ontu Gachagua akuria maria mabangite maandamano ma monde kumarungamia nontu kama kuthukia uchumi wa Kenya.
We want to urge these people to consider this afternoon to call off the chaos, the mayhem, the intimidation, because what they are doing is destroying our economy.
Na wakiaria RAIS William RUTO ari garoni ya RAIS ariuga nthi ino ikathi na mbere gutongorwa kuringana na katiba na guti watho ukethirwa ukiunwa ona banini.
Kenya is going to be a country governed by the rule of law, ensuring that we observe what the Constitution provides for us, ensuring that we protect the rights of everybody. And as we enjoy our rights as individuals, we must be careful also to ensure that we don't trample on the rights of others. And the cardinal principle is that as a country that believes in the rule of law, there is no greater or lesser person. None of us is above the law. The president is not above the law. And so is every other citizen.